got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 121, Lex 2012, Vimag. So today we are going to do our group reflection video for our Vimag. So before we start, we are going to introduce ourselves one by one. So let's start by me. With me, my name is Azman bin Baba with matric number of 1X9X71.
My name is Muhammad Daniji from Vimag and my matric number is 190658.
My name is Muhammad Hasib bin Ani, my matric number 189959.
My name is Muhammad Shakir ID bin Rahman, my matric number is 187131.
My name is Muhammad Shamir bin Abdul Ghaffar and my matric number is 187034.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Maizul and my matric number is 190311.
My name is Faizul Yumi and my matric number is 189926.
My name is Muhammad Firdaus, my matric number is 190388.
My name is Aurin Aizah bin Mashir, 189256.
My name is Muhammad Isham bin Azam, matric number is 7420.
Okay, so let's start our reflection video. So basically that we have done our video, our group discussion 1, 2, 3, our behind the scene 1 and 2, and our Vimag, complete Vimag video.
Yes.
So maybe we want to share something about our video, our journey until we go. You have anything to say? Go ahead.
Firstly, I would like to thanks to our group members because I get the great group members that can cooperate each other to make this video. And from the first step for doing this video is we have to do the video about what is the problem that that the UPM student face in UPM. So after that, when we have list the problem, we have to do the video about who's gonna who are going to do a job such as scriptwriter, who want to become the director, who want to become the cameraman behind the scene, and so on. And so for the next, we have to interview the respondents. So basically, our respondent is give some positive feedback, and maybe around 1 or 2 respondents who doesn't cooperate with us. So yeah, that's it from me.
So, how about you?
Me?
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay, from my experience from doing this Lex activities, which is we learn how to handle some respondents and interview some respondents to get the data for our video. And we also proud ourselves that we successfully did our video, even though it's not good enough, that we need to improve by the next video. So that's from me. Anyone need to add something?
Syam, how about you?
Okay guys, okay, first of all, just give a big applause to ourselves. We do a great job to finish these legs. I want to thank all of you because you give cooperate guys. You
Cooperation.
full cooperation. So then
So if I would like to say something, that'll be I'm actually really proud of you guys because some of you even went to Japan to do robotic stuff, but you still can commit to your commitment. Meaning like you already prepared your scripts earlier, and for Shakir he can record for the previous behind the scene. So basically, when they left for Japan, they didn't just abandon us and put more workload into us, but instead they help us from far away, and even from here they still help us. So special thanks to them. They sacrifice their sleep and their time, even for themselves, just for us and to make this video success. So anyone wants to add something? How about you, Shakir? Because you go to Japan
How about
Japanese
you?
for 2 weeks.
Because you go to Japan for 2 weeks.
I would like to thank our team member and would like to say sorry because me and Asif didn't do much for the last 2 weeks because we have tournament, robotic tournament in Japan, but we managed to do quite a few works so that the workload doesn't fall on our members too much. So we did our part. Maybe not so much, but still did our part. I think that's all for me.
So do you have anything to add? I would like to add something. Yes. What? So, while some of you might think that this is a total waste of time, it's actually great because why? First, we get to know the problems like specifically when we interviewed the students. So not only students, we even interviewed our fellow who's like a staff member of a college. So what he can do is an immediate action, which will hopefully solve this problem in the future. And not only that, we can actually improve our English as well because we interact with a lot of people. Whether they would like to be interviewed or not, that's a different case. We actually tried our best to convince, and indirectly, we actually create some good relationship with them. But by asking if there are problems, and if they're busy or not, whether they would like to spend some time to share about what's the problem faced by them. So overall, I would like to think that it's a successful project, not only because of the Vimag, but it improves the student and the relationship among us as well.
Yeah, I agree with you Billy, because for the problem that we are listed earlier, that now we found some of the solution for the problem from the interview that we done. So we maybe can bring this solution to the management so that they can fix the problem that we face. So I think it's a quite good work that we have done. That's what I take from our next video.
Can I add?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Of course.
Why not?
Oh yeah, I think by doing this project, me myself can increase my self-confidence because we can talk to people around us. We need to ask them, and we need to maybe ask their permission for record their face because as you know, it's quite personal for a person to what give opinion. So I think that's one of the factors that can increase my self-confidence.
So I think that we already discussed about the strength and our experience for this video. How about the weakness of our previous video? As the scriptwriter.
Okay, for me as a scriptwriter, I've done not much as you all who interviewer requirement, but for me the equation is quite not too out of the box.
Yes.
I is just two common questions. We just ask what you think about the problem, what the solutions, and the rates. I think for the next video, we need to add more just like out of the box questions.
So it's like more sophisticated questions?
Yes, that's what I mean. So I will ensure that I will prepare this type of question for the next video.
Yo, you are not going to Japan anymore, yeah?
No.
Okay. So how about you, Iqbal? The weakness?
For me, as I'm the behind the scene cameraman, so the weakness that I face with Fidos is the quality of the camera. The first video we use not so quality camera, but in our next video we use the quality camera. So that's some problem that we face. And secondly, we face the respondent when they didn't open the door when we will knock the door.
Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, when we knock their door.
Yeah.
When we knock their door, maybe there are sound about maybe because of the fan sound and maybe the thunder. That's all. What do you call it? Disturbance in our when we record our behind the scene video. The disturbance that we cannot control. I think that's for behind the scene.
So
For
the
interview,
interviewer, who is the interviewer? Jet.
who's the leader?
What the weakness that you found during our interview session?
Weakness as it addressed it earlier, which is we should add more
Sophisticated.
question. So maybe we should add some new question for the next video, and then for our grammar mistakes on the interview, and then you need to.
I think I want to understand because like since you all know, even foreigners do live in Tenth College, so English might be a language barrier for them. They don't understand a single word in English, so it's actually really hard to ask them what's the problem regarding the college, since all they know is they just sleep and go to class. They don't even know what's the problem in college. So when we try to interview them, they don't even know what to talk about. So, and some of them doesn't even speak English. Hence the language barrier. So what we were forced to do is we changed to other respondent. That's why we don't have a video of them, because they don't talk anymore.
Like a song.
Just like a song.
How about the cameraman? Shakir and Danish.
Firstly, me and Shakir as a cameraman, we doesn't have face much problem. We just record the video and follow the interviewer to interview the respondent. So where the interviewer go, there I am. I will follow the interviewer.
Like
So,
DJ.
same like Shakir.
Like DJ.
Maybe
So like
maybe our hand is shaky when we recording the phone. That's I think just a small problem. It will just might reduce the quality of the video because of the struggling, because holding the phone for quite a time, so our hand shaky.
So I think we need a tripod, yeah.
yes, and we should
tripod.
buy a tripod.
Okay, so I think that's all from us. See you on the next video. Bye.
Oh, yeah.